Again, it's 3 a.m. and cash is still tight. Even though revenue looks strong, one of the biggest hidden cash killers is unprofitable customers. Client profitability analysis isn't optional. In IT services, it's foundational. Early in my career, we introduced client profitability reporting, and I got shocked. We were losing $500,000 a year on our largest customer. Letting go of that account improved cash flow almost immediately. The lesson is simple. Not all revenue is good revenue. Some clients consume excess service hours, create admin drag, and operate below your margin floor. The fix starts with visibility. Measure profitability by customer and set clear margin benchmarks. Then take action. Reprice, reset scope, or exit the relationship that lived below your floor. And include annual price escalators in every contract so rising labor and vendor costs don't silently erode your margins. When your customer base is truly profitable, the 3 a.m. stress starts to fade.